Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you will be fine. Today we are going to solve the exercise of grade 5 Oxford Science Unit 1 Classification of Living Things. Let's move to question number 1. What do you understand by classification and why do you think it is important? Answer is sorting things into groups on the basis of their common features called classification. It is important for this convenient study of the living things. Question number 2 is name the 5 kingdoms and give an example of the living things from each kingdom. First one is Protista and its example of amoeba. Monera, its example is bacteria, fungi, mushrooms, plant, all green plants, animals, all multicellular animals. Question number 3 is name 5 invertebrates that could be living in garden. Bees, flies, slugs, ants, worms are living in garden. Now we are moving to question number 4. Name 3 invertebrates that live in sea. Sponges, sea cucumber, snail. Question number 5 is name 3 invertebrates that have more than 3 pairs of legs. It means that 8 legs or above. Answer is spider, mites, ticks, scorpions. Next question is what kind of insects live in a colony and why is living like this helpful to them? कौन से ऐसे इंसेक्ट्स हैं जो कि इकट्ठे रहना पसंद करते हैं और ये क्यों उनके लिए बेहतर है? Bees, ants and wasps live together. They also work together for the survival. Now here is next question. Which insect is a pest? Are there any in your house? Cockroach is a pest. It lives in my house. Define biodiversity. Biodiversity is a variety of life on earth, for example ants, fishes, animals and plants. Next question. Do all insects fly? Can you name of some that could not? क्या तमाम कीड़े उड़ सकते हैं? क्या आप जानते हैं कुछ ऐसे कीड़ों के नाम जोड़ नहीं सकते? Ant, scorpion, beetles, etc. Now the last question is differentiate between extinct and endangered animals. Give examples. The animals that no longer exist on earth, for example dinosaur and dodo etc. ऐसे जानवर जो कि जिनकी नस्ल अब बाकी नहीं रही उनको हम एक्सटिंक्ट एनिमल कहते हैं. एंड इंडेंजर्ड दोज एनिमल्स डेट नंबर हैव रिड्यूस्ड, वो एनिमल्स जिनकी तादाद कम हो चुकी है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल रेड पांडा, सी लाइन एट्सेट्रा, उनको हम इंडेंजर्ड यानी उनकी नस्ल को ख़तरा है ऐसे एनिमल्स. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चन. चूज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. विच ऑफ दीज इज़ नॉट वन ऑफ द 5 किंगडम्स? इनमें से एक ऐसा है जो कि 5 किंगडम्स में इंक्लूड नहीं. एनिमल, प्रोटेस्टा, प्लांट्स, इंसेक्ट्स जो है वो 5 किंगडम में शामिल नहीं है. वी हैव टू सर्कल ऑन इंसेक्ट्स. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज़ व्हाट डू वर्टिब्रेट्स हैव डेट इनवर्टिब्रेट्स डू नॉट? क्या चीज़ है जो कि वर्टिब्रेट्स के पास है और इनवर्टिब्रेट्स के पास नहीं? बॉडी, बैकबोन, आइज, लेग्स. So vertebrates have backbones. We have to circle on backbone. Part 3 is which of these is an insect? Bluebird, earthworm, bat, cockroach. Cockroach is an insect. Part 4 is which of these do insects have? इनमें से क्या चीज़ है जो कि insects रखते हैं? 6 legs and a hard covering, 2 feeler or antenna, 3 parts of their body. Correct option is D. All of the above. Part 5 is which of the following has a shell? Cat, snail, lizard, slug. इन सब में से किस पर एक shell है या कवर है? Snail has a shell. Question 6 is which one of these an example of dicot plant? Wheat, maize, gram, rice. Correct option is gram. Last page of the exercise. Now here is 5 kingdoms: Protista, Munera, fungi, plant and animals. Last question is fill in the blanks using words from the box. Here are some words given in the box. First one is most insects have wings attached to them that help them to fly. Part 2 is a colony is a large group of insects living together. Part 3 is some worms live in other creatures. They are parasites. Flies and mosquito can cause, we have to fill the word diseases. Worms have long tube-like bodies. Dear students, we have completed the chapter 1. If you have any problem, you can comment me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.